Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you all about Kit.ai. So let's begin. Here you can see different websites. Here you can see the website. Just simply click on that. Here for using this app, you have to first create an account. So simply click on Get Start to create your account. Here you have different options. I am choosing here Google. Here you have different options. You can also browse free demos here, like if I choose any audio from here, and you can also record your audio from here if you want to. Now I'm choosing it from browser, like.
Why you keep on breaking my heart,
You can see that.
You on my mind a lot. You on my mind a lot. Don't need no time.
You can see that even for demo, they have so many voices here. Now I'm choosing the speech one here because speech ones are usually easy to judge.
You're not in any trouble.
You're not in
We
any
just need
trouble.
to talk.
We just need to talk.
Here I guess let's go with the male voice here. Here I have uploaded the male voice. Here you can see that we have uploaded our male voice here. Here you can add any voice if you want to, like let's go and let's see how many options you have here. Let's try to listen to this one.
Quiero bailar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo.
And let's now go with this one. Okay, now here you can see that all the kit voices and you can choose here this male one. Let's play it.
And I'm tired of pretending that we
This voice is also nice, so let's choose this one as well. Okay, now just add this voice here. Now here simply play to see how it goes.
You're not in any trouble. We just need to talk.
And let's play the original one here.
You're not in any trouble. We just need to
Now
talk.
listen to the converted one.
You're not in any trouble. We just need to
And
talk.
let's listen in female voice here.
You're not in any trouble. We just need to talk.
You're not in any trouble. We just need.
Here we have successfully converted our voice into different voices. You can use that and it's really nice. Now if we talk about the projects here. Here you can add any project here. Now you can see that our male audio speech has been added to project. You can add your projects here if you want to. Now let's try it for songs. Okay, now create a new project and here we're gonna use a song here. This time let's go with a female song, female voice here. So I have chosen a female voice here. Let's see.
Late night calling, always you see straight through.
I don't like that. Now let's see one more option here.
Me down low. Yeah, it's you I'm after. Lay me down.
Now let's choose this one this time. First I have showed you conversion with the speech and now I'm showing you conversion with the song. So let's see how this song will convert into different voices. Now here you have to choose voice. So it's a female, so I guess female will be better to choose, but we will choose male as well to see that whether it go also for males or not. So here I'm choosing this one. Let's see how it goes. Let's play it first. Before selecting, you can also play the voice to see whether the voice is good or not.
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna
I like
make
this. I'm
it
doing this one.
move. Always
So
gonna
now
be
let's
enough
also see a male one. So let's go with the medium one here.
to last.
Okay, so now let's see this male voice here. Here you can load. They have almost 140 plus voices here. That's really good and insane. You can choose from here as many as you want.
Waiting on your faint call. I'm
also
hoping
okay,
that
so
you'll change it
It's
all,
also
yeah.
okay, so let's add these two voices to see how it will convert. It may take some time, so just see. Now you can see that they created the male one here and also the female one here. You can also download that and you can also share that. Here you can also add semitones here. You can minus that from here. And if you talk about pitch, you can also apply changes here. Here you can only add semitones and pitch. You can see the pitch here. For doing all this editing, here you can see different options here. For doing that, you must have to buy the subscription and you must have to upgrade. So that's all you can do. Now let's play and see how it turned out.
Take me down low. Yeah, it's you I'm after. Lay me down.
Let me first show you the original one.
Take me down low.
They both look very similar.
Take me down low. Yeah, it's you I'm after. Lay me
They're very
down
nice and I
slow.
really like that. Now if we talk about upgradation here in the top you can see their upgradation. Here you can see their plans for upgradation. You can see their monthly plans. Here for converters they offer $12 per month, and for editors they offer $15 per month, and for composers they offer $60 per month. Now if we talk about the annual billing, in annual plans if you are a converter then you have to only pay $10 per month. If you are a creator then you have to pay $20, and if you are a composer then you have to pay $48. Here let's go to the home page. Here in converter you can see the convert vocals that I have showed you how it works. Hope now you understand that. For that there was old one, I have showed you the new latest one. Here in hormones you can also see how it works. Now let's test it out how it works. You can use their hormone feature. For that you have to first upload a file. You can choose here browser or something. You can record here, so I'm choosing the option record here. Here we have recorded our voice, and after recording the voice I have choose the harmony here and I have added the voices here. Here you can see that how it turned out. This is the original one I am playing here. It will take some time maybe.
So this is how you can use the hormone feature in Kits.ai.
And this is the voice
Cool.
model that I have used here.
So this is how you can use the hormone feature in Kits.ai.
And this is the second voice
Cool.
model that we have used here.
So this is how you can use the hormone feature in Kits.ai.
And this is the third voice that we have
Cool.
used here.
So this is how you can use the hormone feature.
And that was all about Kits.ai. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.